Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor and here is today's question. If you have good knowledge about exponents, so you can solve this question very easily. Okay, so here 500 to the power 500 divided by 250 to the power 250. And do you know a to the power m divided by b to the power m? So we can write a upon b to the power m. Okay. So here we apply this exponent property. So here we have to make same power. So here 250. So we can make this one 250. 500 to the power 2 times 250 and 250 to the power 250. If a to the power m to the power n, this property power to the power, so m multiply n, it means this one is this part, right hand side. Okay, so here multiply, it means we can write power to the power. Denominator we write as it is 250 to the power 250 and 500 is square to the here power 250. It means power to the power. Okay. Now we can simplify this numerator. This is 500 square, which is 25. 5 square is 25 and here 2 zeros, so now 4 zeros. You can check 500 multiply by 500, you will get this 250,000 and to the power 250, and this is 250 to the power 250. Okay, now here same power, so we can apply this one. Okay, a to the power m divided by b to the power m, so we can write a upon b to the power m. Here m value 250. Okay, so this is 250,000 divided by 250. This 0 cancelled by this 0 and 25 times 25. So here 25 times 125 and this is 25 times 125 and here 3 zeros. So this is 1000. Okay. So can we write 1000 in the bracket and to the power 250. 1000 can we write 10 to the power 3 in exponent. Okay, and again we apply here power to the power, so multiply this exponent law. Okay, so 10 to the power 3 times 250 is 750. This is the answer for given expression, this one. Okay, if you have any queries, please ask me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.